We have nothing to worry about. Everything is just perfect. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update, brought to you by Tradier Brokerage. We do have other brokerage partners, but Tradier Brokerage is who we like the best. And of course, there are a number of reasons. Number one, they're $10 a month. That's the one you can never overcome. Number two, they've got great customer service. Number three, we've got their APIs, and we are automating our trading through them. If you choose, that'll be a choice you get to make. You can trade wherever you want, but if you want to have automation, you can have it. And number four, they're giving a free 6-session training course on options from the beginning to advanced starting Saturday, January the 9th at noon Eastern. You can go to BUBBATrading.com and register for that. It is free. I'll be doing it, so we'll have some fun. In the meantime, the markets are exploding higher. NASDAQ up about 250, S&P up about 50, Dow up over 300, Russell up again. So as we said, there is nothing to worry about. Everything is perfect. Okay, there's nothing going on at the Capitol. There's no issues. We're rocking and rolling. Bitcoin's up about another 3,000. It's getting close to 40,000 now. What could be wrong? We can never go down again. We know that. In the meantime, we are still long, and of course, always prepared. But we actually like these really big spikes because they do drag our algorithms up with them. So they just lock in more profits for us. And obviously, we've been long for quite a while, so we'll see what happens. In the meanwhile, metals are slightly higher. They're struggling a little bit, but you would expect that after the big rallies we've seen. We're still long across the board. Copper may never go down again either, as it's up once again, another, 45, whatever. So in the meantime, we're still long copper. Nat gas we're long, and that, of course, is higher. And the bonds and notes, which we reversed today, they're getting actually notes we reversed the bonds, and they're getting crushed today. Okay, down another full point, which is interesting when the Fed keeps saying they keep interest rates low, and the dollar is rallying a touch. But we always expect a little bit of rally. Remember, be prepared, not surprised, and we expect a little bit of a rally out of the dollar. I mean, markets are gonna always have some opposite movement of what their trend is, which is just giving you more opportunity to either buy or sell, depending on what you're doing. So those are the things that are going on in the market. Like crude oil is up again, and grain markets, it's shocking. They're down a little bit. Well, what would you expect? Corn was over $5. Beans are getting close to 14. Beans made a new high. We'd expect a little bit of a pullback. These are buying opportunities. Just find the right levels. Okay, look for support. All right, and I'll have some levels for you tomorrow. But in the meantime, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for opportunities to buy. In stuff we're short, we're looking to sell, and stuff we're long, we're looking to buy. Meats, other feeder cattle's up over $1, which is interesting. But of course, if you go through the theory, now I don't. I'm just trading the chart. But the corn is down, so feeders would be up. But hogs and fat cattle or live cattle are right around unchanged, slightly lower. The soft market, pretty much higher across the board. Cotton is higher, we're long. OJ is higher, we're long. Coffee is higher, we are long. And sugar is lower, we are short. And cocoa, we are short, we are short, and it's down. It's up. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Look, at the end of the day, like I said, there is nothing to worry about. Tomorrow's a jobs number. We're just going up like it's like a bat out of hell. And of course, just like Bitcoin, the markets, everything. Because remember one thing, they keep increasing the money supply. They keep hiding mysteriously the inflation. What do you think is going to happen? The money's got to go somewhere. So until they tell us different, markets are going up. In the meantime, don't forget our commodity report. And the quarterlies just came out. And, again, Andy does such a spectacular job with these reports. And he has been on fire. And you tie in our algorithms with his calls, he has been en fuego. Okay, check it out at BUBBA'Trading.com. It's called Technomental. And our other brokerage partner, which is the CTG Group. Look, again, I have other brokers, but for my letter of direction trading, which they do my own account for me as well. Okay, They have the best customer service in that industry. They take care of you. They look out for you. They teach you if you need some help, getting your account set up or whatever. They've got IRAs available, managed futures. I mean, you check them out. You will not be disappointed. That is the CTG Group. And of course, our family farmers partner, they're so good. And it's so sad that we can't be out more together. But we'll get there. I mean, we're planning a trip for February. We'll see how it plays out if they ever free us from our jails at home. But again, farmers should be hedged up here. And if you need some help, just give me an email, bubba@bubbatrading.com. You got to lock this money in here. You cannot let this slip away again. And I'm not saying I think we're going higher, but it's always better when you can participate in the upside and have no risk to the downside. And of course, our high school program, which we're working diligently to get finished, it's at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That is patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Jobs tomorrow. We'll try to do an early report right after the numbers come out. Until then, have a great day. This is Todd Bubba Horowitz, Bubba Trading. See you tomorrow.